Hello and welcome to Math 155, Section 067, here at Aiken Technical College in the fall of 2017. And in this session, we'll take a look at the course, how it relates to my math lab, and the expectations of you as a student in this course. First, we'll take a look at the course home tab, and in the course home page, you want to make sure that you keep a constant check on this announcement section. Just one thing about it, you may physically have to click the drop down arrow in order to view the announcements. There are such things on this page as what to work on next and other helpful things about the course. Next, we have the course description. This is Math 155, Contemporary Mathematics. This is a 3-credit hour course. A brief description is given, and the prerequisites for this course is beginning algebra, which is Math 101, or an acceptable placement score. And on the addendum, you can find my information. I am your instructor, Mr. Cummings. My office is in room 752. You can also find my office hours by clicking the link. My phone number is listed as 803-508-7466, as well as my email address. The required materials for the course are my Math Lab access code and any scientific calculator. The grading policy consists of 4 categories, each weighted at 25%. First, we have the homework category. The homework is open all semester long. I encourage you to work ahead of the schedule if possible. Whenever you find yourself having difficulty, you immediately want to seek help from me as your instructor or the Academic Success Center. Secondly, we have the quizzes. Each quiz acts as a study guide for the test. Each quiz is set at 3 attempts. However, only the highest attempt will count towards your final average. So it won't hurt your score if you were to take a quiz again and not score quite as high as you did the first time. All tests are to be taken on or before the test due date. Tests taken after the due date will accrue a 10% penalty. And lastly, we have the final exam. There are no final exam exemptions, but during the final exam, you will be allowed to use a page of notes front and back, as well as your calculator. The final exam is Wednesday, December the 6th, from 12:30 to 2:30 in the library, room 1001L. If you're unable to make this final exam meeting time or day, give me a phone call or send me an email and we can make other arrangements. Next, we have the outline for the course. We see the 4 chapters listed out as well as their test dates. The next item on the addendum is the discussion board. And the discussion board is worth 10 points on your final exam. Everyone must make an initial post giving your name and some basic information about yourself. To receive the 10 points extra credit on the final exam, you must make 2 posts per week. You must make 1 post explaining how you solved the homework problem or quiz problem, and you must also make 1 post replying to any classmate's post on their solution to a homework or quiz problem. And next we have the grading scale. As you can see, we have a standard 10-point grading scale. W, F's, and I's are not assigned. Next we have the homework and quiz and test link. But what I'll do is show all assignments together on one page. And you'll notice that the only dates are the test dates. Since the homework and quizzes are open all semester long, there are no due dates for those particular assignments. The proper way to navigate through this online course is you want to complete all of the homework problems, getting help with those problems that you don't quite understand, Once you have a good understanding of the homework problems, you should then proceed to take the quiz. After you take the quiz, you proceed to take the test. You'll follow that pattern for the remaining chapters. Next, we have the Multimedia Library. And in the Multimedia Library, you can find such things as your textbook, PowerPoints, and video lectures. So whenever you're having trouble and you need some help, it's always a good idea to visit this Multimedia Library section. Next, we have the discussion board. And to make your post on the discussion board, you'll simply choose the appropriate week, you'll type respond, and you'll simply make your post. And that concludes this session. Thanks for watching.